Okay, guys. Happy morning to everyone. Our next topic is JEE NEET problems. 25 questions I will solve per day. Means in a 1 hour class. Okay. I'll try more than 25. I will try. Not a problem. But the first time, right? That's why I'm taking 25. Okay. I will cover 25 because of last time 20 questions only it is taken 1 hour, so 25 it will take 1.5 hour I think. Okay, not a problem. Further I will do more videos like this. If you like, I will continue, otherwise I will stop and will continue in Zoom or Microsoft. Okay, yeah. JEE NEET problems. First question: which order of compound is according to decreasing order of oxidation state of nitrogen? Which order of compound? Which order of compound according to decreasing order of oxidation state of nitrogen? Decreasing order is asking. Means these all are highest, these all are least. So decreasing order OS you find it. Okay. All are common: HNO3, NO, NH4Cl, N2. These all are common in all 4 options. So first of all, continuously 4 compounds we have to do oxidation state. Then after we have to find which is decreasing order we have to find. Okay. Now let's take first one. It is HNO3 oxidation state. HNO3 oxidation state. So this HNO3 oxidation state is +5 because of 3 oxygens are surrounding it is there. 3 oxygens surrounding it is there. 2 oxygens are double bond, 1 is single bond. See structure H O N double bond O, arrow mark O. This one arrow mark showing 2. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why +5. This is the rule how to do. Okay. So +5 oxidation state. Next, second NO. In NO, oxygen valency 2, so automatically it is +2. Now third one, it is N2. N2, everybody know this oxidation state is 0 because of 0. What is the reason? So O2, N2, Cl2, these all are homomolecules all are 0. That rules I said, right? That fractional change, that oxidation state, that time rules I said, right? So homomolecules, okay, homo element molecules all are 0. Now next one, fourth one, it is NH4Cl. NH4Cl, what it is? Now this is -3. How it is? NH3. NH3. Next H extra coming. So here positive charge will come. Now Cl minus, negative charge. Positive and negative cancel it. Now +1. So this is +1, so automatically minus. So this is minus, cancel, and it is +1 again. So how many pluses are there? Okay, this for this cancelled, so plus cancelled. Now look at here, 1, 1, 1. 3 positives are there, automatically this is 3 negative. Okay, 3 positives are there, That's why it is 3 negative. If you are doing like this, you have confused. So based on electronic configuration, perfect answer will come. So this is -3. So now look at plus 5 plus 2 -3 0. See, decreasing order we have to see. So which is highest? NH3 is highest. Second one is what? NO. Third one is what? N2. Fourth one is what? Negative. So 0 to positive, 0 to negative. So this is highest. This is whatever we are taking, that is the sequence is correct. Now look at where it is there. HNO3, NO, N2, not there. NS3. So first option is wrong. Second, HNO3, NO, N2, NH4Cl. Yes, second option is correct. Second option is correct. So no need to bother about remaining options. Here HNO3, NH4Cl wrong. Okay, it is -3, plus 5, plus 2, 0. Irregular sequence. This is also same irregular sequence. So option B is correct. Question number 1 completed. Question number 2. Nitrogen exhibits highest oxidation state. In this, where is nitrogen shows highest oxidation state? That is the question. Now, one by one we have to do. One by one we have to do. So, first I am taking N2H4. So, 2x plus 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So automatically what will happen? 2 will come down, by 2 will come. So it is plus will come, it is going outside, -2 will come. Okay guys, x 4 by 2, 2 will come, plus 2 will come, it is coming outside, -2. So N2H4 is N is -2. Second, B option. NH3, everybody know, -3. -3. Guys, you have confused here, right? NH4Cl. See, basically N showing -4 character. Okay, one plus charge is taken by Cl. That's why one negative, one positive, cut it. Now automatically -3. Got it? That is the answer. Next. NS3 -3. Next, N3H. This is 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x. Now 3 will come down. X equal to -1 by 3. X equal to -1 by 3. X equal to -1 by 3. NH4OH, simply NH2OH, option I taken wrong. NH2OH. So structure is NHHOH. This is negative, positive. So positive, negative, cancel it. Positive, negative, cancel it. This is cancelled. And one plus H is there. Plus 1. So automatically nitrogen is -1. So -1 by 3 minus 3, minus 2. Now arrange in which is highest oxidation number. Which is highest oxidation. So plus 1, 0, minus 1. In these three, which is highest? This is highest. But positive is not there. So 0 is highest. 0 also not there. Near 0 which is there, that is correct. So in this all, which is very near? This is very least, minus 3. Then after this, first place, least place, second least place, third least place, and very least. Means highest. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Now fourth is this. Near 0 is highest. Near 0 is highest. This is 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is answer. Highest oxidation state is N3H. Second answer also completed. Extra pure N2 can be obtained by heating of these compounds. Extra pure means only purest one will, where it will come. That is 2 moles of NH3 we are taking. 2 moles of NH3 we are taking. HO, Cu and N2. Here also it won't come. And here N2 will come. Just simple L2 will come. Remaining H2O will come. Some amount of NO also will come here. N2 and NO both will come here. Here also N2 NO will come here. Here lot of impure compounds will come. And here, yes, here possibilities are there. Now do it this. Ba N3 2 gives rise to barium and 3 moles of N2. Yes, extra pure. Extra pure because of this is a solid. Separate it will come barium. Okay, this is extra pure one. More amount is coming. 3 moles coming, and as well as 3 moles are coming, as well as barium will separate easily. That's why extra pure one. No need to bother for separation of this both. Okay, simply we can separate it by fractional or either distillation method. We can separate it this. That's why. Okay, this is the third answer. Third answer is D. And second answer is C. First answer is B. B, C, D. Okay. Our next fourth question is the gaseous product produced in the reaction. What gases are producing in these two reactions? Okay. First of all, you complete this both reactions. Okay. What gases are producing? They are given options. 4 options they given. Which gases are producing? First, lead nitrate. It is NO3, lead NO3 twice. Okay. Now it gives rise to, while heating, lead monoxide will come. Lead monoxide will come. And if you have to take 2 moles, PbO plus 4 moles of NO2. 4 moles of NO2 and oxygen will come. This is the first reaction. So what gas is producing here? NO2 gas producing. NO2. Last 3 options, maybe 1 correct. Okay. Yeah. Next, NH4 NO3. This reaction everybody know. N2O and remaining is H2. How many moles of H2O? It is 2 moles. Okay, 2 moles of H2O. So N2O, NO2. N2O, first NO2. First NO2. Yes, NO2, N2O. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. First one NO2, second one N2O. Very important. These reactions are important for this reason only. Fifth question. With excess amount of Cl, ammonia forms what? Take NH3 plus Cl2 in the bracket excess ammonia Cl2 excess amount, what will come? So 3 hydrogens are there, take 3 moles. Okay, now let's take NCl3 plus HCl. How many? 3. 3 moles of HCl, 3 moles of NCl. So not nitrogen, not nitrosyl chloride, and not NH4Cl. Answer is D. NCl3. NCl3. What is the oxidation state of NCl3? Is +3. Okay. Next, among trihalides of nitrogen, which one is least basic? Among trihalides, in this all trihalides, which has least basic character? Which has least basic character? This one reason, simple reason: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all they given. So everybody know this answer is NF3 because of highest electronegativity, that everybody reason that know. Okay, so but why? Now let's take NFFF. See, look at here. This one also I am taking. Okay, for example, explanation purpose I am taking this. Here, what is the difference? Here more electronegatives 3 are there. Here least electronegative 3 is there. So this bond is grabbing like this. This bond is grabbing like this. These electrons are grabbing like this. But here what? Nitrogen is more electronegative than iodine. This nitrogen is grabbing like this. Okay. So here the giving nature of electrons very least. But here giving electron nature is, it is donate electron easily. So more. Which are donating electrons? Bases. So least basic. More basic. Got it? Acceptors are called acids. Donators are called bases. Donator. This is donator. It can't donate easily because of this fluorine is most electronegative, and the protonation NF3 is the least basic because of lone pair of electrons on N, least availability for protonation. Protonation means for donating, for forming a H plus, due to high electronegativity of fluorine. This is the reason. Among trihalides, N which is least basic. This is NF3. Reason is this. Next question. The reddish brown colored gases formed when nitric oxide is oxidized by air. The reddish brown colored gas formed when nitric oxide is oxidized by air. What will happen? So take reaction NO, nitric oxide reaction with air means O2. Reaction with O2. So 2 moles of O is there. That's why we have to take 2. Okay. 2 moles is there. That's why we have to take 2. Now gives rise to what will form? This oxygen will mingle with this one, 2NO2. That's it. Okay. Reddish brown colored gas. Reddish brown colored gas is NO2. Reddish colored gas is NO2. Got it? Next, second question. The reaction between NH2 minus and NO2 gives what? The reaction between NH2 minus and NO2 gives what? So NH2 minus means amide ion. Amide ion. Reaction with what? N2O. N2O. Now this N2O, both are reaction, it gives N3 minus. This 2, this 1 mingle together, remaining as usual H2O. 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 This is what already I said, azide ion. 3 means azide. 2 means azo. 1 means nitro. Okay? This is the, what is the option? Option B is correct. Next, 9th question. Which of the following is not hydrolyzed? Hydrolyzed means with water. Hydrolyzation means, I will tell you, HOH. This is, the bond will break, OH will one side attach, hydrogen will one side attach. This is called hydrolysis. Which of the following is not hydrolysis? In these 4, which is not hydrolysis? This one or this one or this one or this one or which one it won't? This is a NH3. Why it is? Because of N, same reason. Before whatever I said, that only. So, for example, hydrolysis will happen. For example, here hydrolysis will happen. H will come this side, OH will come this side. H will come this side, OH will come this side, bond breaking. So HF and NOH F plus HF. This is possible. But what it is, which of the following is not hydrolysis? This process is not done here. Not done. If it will happens, this is the product. It is not done, not possible, right? So why it is not possible? Same reason. Nitrogen and fluorine doesn't allow to the break the bond because of highest electronegativity character. And one more reason also there. D orbitals to accept electron donate by water for hydrolysis. D orbital absence. D orbitals not ready. Okay. D orbitals are not there. That's why this is not possible. The reason is absence. D orbitals absence. So this reaction is not possible. Okay guys, next our question is, the hydrolysis of NCl3 by H2O gives. The hydrolysis of NCl3 by H2O gives. Okay. Now take the mechanism. NCl, Cl, Cl. Okay. NCl3. So hydrolysis with oxygen. Means H2O. H2O. Okay. Hydrolysis by H2O. What will happen? Here bond is breaking like this. One side OH, one side H. This is called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. Now here also same. This side bond breaking, this side H, this side OH. Hydrolysis. Next same like this. Here H, OH. Now gives rise to NH3 plus HOCl. It is 1 mole, it is 3 moles. And this is in water, right? This reaction is possible in water, right? Plus H2O gives NH4OH. NH4OH, HOCl. Where it is in the options? NH4OH, HCl. Okay. NH4OH. This is NH2, I think. 1 minute, I will check the question. Yeah. This is NH2. This is NH2OH. This is NH4OH. So, option A, not. Option B, not. Option C, correct. Option C, D, wrong. Okay. See what is going on here. NH4, NH2OH, no, because of NH4OH coming answer. Ammonia, water and HOCl. Either ammonia and HOCl also correct answer. But here ammonia is not given in the option. That's why I am reacting with the water again. Because of water is there inside that reaction. Okay. So NH4OH, 3 moles of HOCl. Where it is? Here. Option C correct. 11th question. A molecule having smallest bond angle. This is simple. See, reverse the given. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Okay. So, highest electronegativity this, least electronegativity this. So, bond angle least is for this only. Least electronegative elements having, or least electronegative molecules having least bond angle. Least En equals to least bond angle. Very, very important. Remember it. Concentrated HNO3 upon long standing turns yellow brown due to formation of. Turns yellow brown. Concentrated nitric acid, if you are keeping one place for 2-3 years, after it turns into yellow brown color. Due to formation of what? Due to formation of what? Okay. What is the reason? It is 4 moles of HNO3 gives rise to HNO3, 4 moles of NO2 plus O2 plus H2. This is the reaction. Standing for some years, HNO3 for it staying some more years, automatically NO2 will form, oxygen will form, water will form. Water will separate out, oxygen will evaporate, finally NO2. So, option B. Option B. Here also option B. Here also option C. Now, 13th question. Which metal do not give metal nitrate on treatment with concentrated nitric acid? Which metal do not give metal nitrate on treatment with concentrated HNO3? Which metal do not give metal nitrate on treatment with concentrated? Fe and zinc, Fe and Pt, Pb, Ag, Pt, Fe, Ag, Pt. These are the options. Now first few we'll do. First of all, take with iron. When concentrated HNO3 treated with Fe, it gives FeO dot Fe2O3 on surface of metal. Surface of metal. Metal nitrate is not giving. It is metal oxide coming. Okay. Next, one more. It is zinc. Pt. Pt. It is a noble metal. Noble metal. Already I said. And this reaction is not possible with concentrated nitric acid. Reaction is not possible with concentrated nitric acid. Because of reason is what? Pt is a noble metal. And concentrated nitric acid is not react with iron. Because of iron surface only reaction is possible. Inside that Fe fully it won't react. And it won't form nitrate. Except these two, remaining all are possible. So, which metal do not give metal nitrate? Iron and platinum. Where it is zinc nitrate possible. Lead nitrate possible. Silver nitrate possible. Ferrous nitrate not possible. Platinum nitrate not possible. So, option B. Option B. What is the first reason? Concentrated nitric acid not react with Fe, and if it is react, Fe2O3 will come on surface of the metal. And Pt is a noble metal. It won't give any nitrates. This is the answer. Next question. The oxidation state of Fe in brown ring. The brown ring, that chemical formula is Fe H2O5 NO whole bracket plus 2. Whole bracket plus 2. Whole bracket plus 2. Okay. Actually, that is, in one more way also we can write, it is Fe plus H2O5 NO plus. We can write like this also. Actually, actual one is this one. Actual one is this one. But simply we are writing like this. Okay. So, what is that? Fe plus 1. So, answer is B. Oxidation state of Fe in brown ring is plus 1. Is plus 1. Okay. Observe carefully. Here plus 2 I taken here. Plus 2 I taken. But actual one is plus 1. Both plus 2 we can take. So Fe belongs to 1. NO belongs to 1. Next. Which of the following is most acidic? Which of the following is most acidic? This acidic character also depend upon electronegativity. So phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. This is the electronegativity character. So phosphorus is more. That's why option B is the correct answer. Okay, P2O3 is the most acidic because of electronegativity decreases in the order from here to here. So P has more electronegativity. Basic nature decreases and acidic nature increases with electronegativity. Next, 16th question. The compound which has molecular nature in gaseous phase but ionic in solid state. Okay, important. Molecular means a neutral place, it is a gaseous, but ionic is solid state. When it is formed ionic, it is solid state. Okay, if it is a pure nature, that is called gas. Which is the answer is PCl5. The right PCl5 is gas phase, but when it is PCl6 minus or PCl4 plus are solids. Understood? The PCl4 plus or PCl6 minus are solids. PCl5 actually gaseous phase nature, normal molecular nature is gaseous, but when is ions, negative ion, positive ion forms, that time these all are solids. This compound has molecular nature in gaseous phase but ionic in solid state, PCl5. Okay, next 17th question. The percentage of pi in PP bond, P single P bond in P4. Actually structure is P, this is the structure. So everywhere single bond is there, single bonds are there. So P character is sp3 hybridization. Each P1 is sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization S P P P. So total 100%. S is 25, P is 75%. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. The percentage of pi is 75. Okay, next 18th one, it is see here, I think you are not understood. Here p orbitals form pi. I think you didn't understand this. S orbitals form sigma, p orbitals form pi. So pi character is 75. Pi character is 75. Yeah. Next, H4 P2O7. H4 P2O7 number of sigma and d pi p pi bonds respectively. D pi p pi bonds respectively. This is important. Okay. So now let's take what it is. Okay. It is, take the structure first of all. Take the structure first of all. P double bond O, P double bond O, P double bond O. Next OH, 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 OH. P4, H4, P2, O7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is the structure. Here, how many sigma bonds? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where it is 12? Here and here. Option C, option D, correct. Next, D pi P pi bonds. D pi P pi bonds are possible or 0? So 0 and 2. Both options are there. Here 0 or 2 or. Yes, we have to find out. P has D electrons. Oxygen has P electrons. So this bond, pi bond, this bond, pi bond. 2 pi bonds are there. 2 pi bonds are there. And this character is here D pi. This is P pi. Same as usual. P has D pi electrons. Oxygen has P pi electrons. So 1, 2. This is the answer. The pyrophosphoric acid H4P2O7 number of sigma and pi bonds respectively. Pi has 2 characters, D pi P pi bonds. Okay, here D pi is coming from phosphorus, P pi coming from oxygen. Oxygen doesn't have D shell. Oxygen doesn't have D shell, only phosphorus having D shell. That's why D pi P pi charactered bond. 2 are there. This is pyroscopic acid. Pyroscopic acid. This is the reason. Understood? Once again repeating. Oxidation state of Fe in brown ring, Fe plus H2O5 NO plus. So Fe plus 1 oxidation state. Direct. Which of the following is most acidic? P2O3 because of more electronegative. And a compound which has molecular in nature and in gaseous form and but ionic in solid state. So PCl5. PCl5 is gaseous phase in nature, but when PCl6 minus and PCl4 plus, these all are acids. Next, the percentage of pi ion in PP bond, P single P bond in P4. This is all are sp3 hybridization phosphorus. So S forms sigma bond, P forms pi bonds. So S character is 25, P character is 75. So P forms 5. So 75 pi character. In pyrophosphoric acid H2P2O7 number of sigma bonds, P bonds 12 sigma bonds 2 because of this all are. See here why I am taking number because of OH. This is also sigma bond, right? This is also sigma bond. Here also sigma bond. Here also sigma bond. Here also sigma bond. Now these all are sigma bonds. This is pi bond. This is pi bond. This pi bond characters are what? D pi P pi characters. Because of here onwards pi, D electrons, there onwards P electrons are coming, forming pi electrons. That's why D pi P pi bond. Very important. Reaction of PCl3 and PHMgBr would give. What is this reaction? Grignard reaction. Okay, this is a Grignard catalyst. So this reaction with PCl3. PCl3. What will happen? Right. 3 moles of PHMgBr with PCl3. 3 is there, that's why 3 we are taking. Okay. So gives rise to this MgBr will take Cl. MgBr will take Cl. Already this mechanism already you know. Okay, so pH3 P with Mg Br Cl. Mg Br Cl 3 moles. So triphenyl phosphine, option C correct. Triphenyl phosphine. So structure of it will come phosphorus, upside lone pair, downside 3 benzenes. The structure will come. Triphenyl phosphine will come. This of it is there, phenyl Mg Br. Okay, so Cl is negative charge, P is positive charge, positive one will attach here, negative one will attach Mg. Cl will attach here, pH will attach here. So finally this compound will come. Grignard reaction. If you have a doubt, I will explain later. Okay, already we completed this Grignard reaction. Once Grignard reaction, look at in organic chemistry. Okay, if you have a doubt, that will make you clear. Next, 20th question. Oxidation state of phosphorus in H4P2O5, H4P2O6 and H4P2O7 are respectively. This is the oxidation state of phosphorus. Here phosphorus, what it is? Oxidation state. Okay, so let's take. Now first go to the H4P2O5. H4P2O5 oxidation state is plus 3. How we are telling? Oxidation with minus 2, 10, 4. 10 by 10, 4. But here in the middle different will come. Okay. 4 plus 1 plus 2x plus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 won't come. This 5 minus 2 of it will come. 2 minus 2 come, and 2 minus 2 will come, plus 2 plus minus 1 will come. Solve combinedly if you are doing, plus 3 will come. This is already done in class time. Okay, you look at that class once. Either do it once again. Next, take the structure, easily it will come. Second, H4P2O6. H4O2O6 here plus 4. And H4P2O7. This one I done in a class. Plus 5. This one I done in a class. Okay. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 5, 4. 5, 3, 4. 5, 4. Option A correct. 3, 4, 5. Option A correct. Next, 21st question. The oxidation state of phosphorus in cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid. Cyclotrimetaphosphoric acid. What is the formula of that? That's two formulas are there. That is, first formula is HPO3 or H3P3O9. S3P3O9. That is also we can do. This is the cyclic form. How it will come? This is P double bond O, P double bond O, P double bond O, and H3 is H. This is the structure. Now here I think it is not correct. Okay. Here option coming 1 minute, wait. I'll take the structure. As usual, you do the problem like this. As usual, do this. That is hydrogen plus 1 plus X and minus this one I am writing, this one directly I am writing here, plus minus 6 because of 3 O2s are there, 3 equal to 0. Okay. So if it is going this side, X equal to plus 5. For one structure we have to take, it is plus 5. Each phosphorus. So totally 15 coming by 3, 5 coming, right? So plus 5. B. One day I given homework. In that homework this structure is there. Oxygen state also there. Do it. Okay. And how many bridging atoms present in P4O10? How many bridging compounds are in P4O10? Draw the structure. It is P double bond O, P double bond O, P. Totally how many come? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will come, not 3. O, P. Double bond O. Right? Now, this one opposite. O. And this one opposite. O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the correct answer. So A. 6. How many bridging atoms are present in P4O10? This is the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 P's are there. 4 oxygens are bonding cyclic, and a middle 2. Total 6. In this 6, total how many oxygens are there? Count it once. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. P4O10. Total 10 oxygens. 6 oxygens only bonding. Bridging, not bonding. Bridging. Okay. And this corner oxygens are there, right? That corner oxygens are not participating anywhere. Not participating in a bridging. Okay. Next. One more question. P4O10 is a anhydrous. Is anhydrous of what? Where onwards P4O10 coming? It is 4 moles of H3PO4. 4 moles of H3PO4 anhydrous means heating. P4O10 plus 6 moles of H2O coming. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. P4O10 is anhydrous of H3PO4. H3PO4 heating, P4O10 will come, and 6 moles of water molecule will come. Next question, match the following question. It is PCl5 IF7 H3O plus Cl O2. Angular, pyramidal, trigonal, bipyramidal, and pentagonal, bipyramidal. Okay. So now look at PCl5 is a option C will come because of, look at here, P trigonal bipyramidal, Cl. So first one option C. IF7. So same like this only will come. FF here also will come. Pentagonal bipyramidal. 1C, 2D. H3O plus. Third one, pyramidal shape will come. Pyramidal. Okay. Pyramidal shape. It is oxygen around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One is hydrogen, one more is hydrogen, one more for also hydrogen, and this is cancel because of it lost. That's why it is positive charge will come. It is lone pair. This is pyramidal shape. Okay, pyramidal shape. Pyramidal in shape. And ClO2. It is Cl O2 double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one is coordination bond. So this is angular, not this. It will come like this. Angular moment, angular structure will come like this. Like this it will come. Okay, angular. So 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. Now take this all. Cl2, O3, angular. Next, SO2, H2SO4, HNO3, NH3. Basic acidic reducing oxidizing. Very, very important. Last question, very, very important. See, first SO2. SO2 is a acidic in nature. First, acidic in nature and reducing also, and as well as oxidizing. SO2 acts as a oxidizing as well as reducing agent and acidic in nature. First one. Okay. Next, second. Second B, option B. H2SO4 is a acidic in nature, that everybody know. Acidic, and as well as oxidizing agent. It produces oxygen. Next, HNO3, acidic. That also we know. And as well as oxidizing agent, it is also produces O. Oxidizing agent. Both same character because of both are acids. So that's why both are same character. And last, it is D, ammonia. This everybody know, this is the basic. Ammonia is a base and as well as reducing agent. Most of the chances bases are reducing agents, acids are oxidizing agent. Not every time, only sometimes. Okay guys, this is the class today. We'll meet tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.